Hello everyone. Today I Rachna Singh, a science teacher from Takshila Model School. Today we will be continuing our classes, subject science, and the chapter will be fifth, separation of substances. For the reference you can take out your page number 66. Right. So before starting the chapter, students, I want to ask a question from you. When your mother starts cooking rice, what she does first of all? Yes, she washes the rice, but before then that, what she does? Yes, she just pick up the stones, small stones from the rice, remove them. She removes all the unwanted materials, unwanted particles from that rice so that rice could be edible, right? And students, this addition of rice stones in the rice, this is known as adulteration. What it is known as? Adulteration. In Hindi you can say milavat. Adulteration. Okay, whenever there are some substances, some stones or like this substances are kept into the edible things, जैसे कि milk में हम water add कर दें, that is also adulteration. Okay, similarly what we are adding just to increase the weight, either to increase the weight, क्योंकि राइस में अगर हम stones add कर रहे हैं तो वो weight increase कर रहा है, that is adulteration, or you can say in Hindi it is milavat, right? Students, how we are going to separate the tea leaves from the tea? With the help of sieving. Sieve means छलनी जो होती है. With the help of that we are going to remove tea leaves from the tea. Okay, students, now I will tell you about some pure substances. What are pure substances? If I am going to take an example of water, okay, I have taken water that is present in lab, okay, and this beaker, I have taken water from the lab, and in another beaker I have taken water from the tap of water, right? Then what I am going to look here, if I am going to retake this water, I will get the molecules that is of H2O. What I will get? H2O. Two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. ये complete एक molecule होगा, right? So students, we have this lab water and this is tap water. We are having this H2O in this water also, and in tap water also the composition is H2O. Okay, the composition of water is H2O. It means when we are going to check the properties of this beaker, this water, and the water of beaker B, both the water are same, having same properties. Okay, and even the composition, the ratios of their molecules or atoms, they are also same. They are having same properties. Okay, so these type of things, they are known as pure substances. This is pure substance according to that. This is having pure substance. In science, we say pure substances to these type of compounds or elements. ठीक है? जैसे कि for example we can take stone also, and if we are going to break this stone, this is complete stone, and I am going to convert them into small pieces, and then I am going to check the properties of stone and these small pieces, then both the properties are same. Both the things, stone and these pieces, are made up of same type of atoms, right? So therefore these type of substances are known as pure substances. In science we call them pure substances that are made up of similar type of atoms, okay, similar type of materials. They are known as pure substances. Okay, students, now we start next topic, that is mixture, and for the reference you can take out page number 67. Students, what is mixture? Mixture is, for example, if you are going to take one particle, this is one particle, this is another particle, and this one is another particle. Okay, when two or more than two particles, and that should be different, two or more than two different particles combined with each other, okay, they will get combined with each other in any ratio. Main thing is that in any ratio, any proportion. कोई फिक्स्ड अमाउंट नहीं है कि ये वाला आइटम इतना होना चाहिए, ये वाला आइटम इतना होना चाहिए. नो, it can be mixed in any ratio. Then we call that it is a mixture, right? When two or more than two particles, different particles combine with each other, they will form a mixture, right? For example, students, here air is a combination of different type of gases. Okay, it is also a mixture, and it is a mixture of several gases. Lots of gases are there, such as oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, argon, neon. Okay, many gases are there in our atmosphere. इस air में बहुत सारे gases हैं. So air is the combination of, or you can say it is a mixture of several gases, right? Next is ocean water. It is composed of, here it is water plus salt, and minerals are also there. Next is milk. Milk is composed of milk and water also there, and cream is also there. Cream. Okay. Next is aerated drink. These, can you say, cold drinks? So it is composed of, what are these? Students, जो जिससे मिलकर बनता है मिक्सचर में, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल here we have taken air. तो air is a mixture of several gases. तो ये जितनी भी gases हैं जिनसे मिलकर air बनी है, we call them components. ठीक है, what we call them components. Like this ocean water, it is composed of water and salt, right? So these water and salt, these are the components of ocean water. Okay, these are the components of ocean water. So here the components of aerated drink will be carbon dioxide, water and sugar. Lots of sugar is also there, right? And in soil is composed of small rock particles, small rocks plus minerals. Many minerals are also there, plus water is also there, and some organic substances are also there. So all these things get mixed with each other, form a mixture that is known as soil, right? So these are the few examples we have discussed here that comes under mixture. Students, now we will discuss the properties of mixture. Means वो होते कैसे हैं, how they are, what is their properties. So first is their composition. It means their composition is not fixed. Composition not fixed. Students, जिस तरीके से compounds में हमने study किया था, जैसे water is a compound, okay, and water is composed of two atoms of hydrogen. बताया था H2O होता है. These are two, and oxygen is only one. So it is composed, full H2O molecule is composed of two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. This ratio is fixed in case of compounds, but In case of mixture, it is not fixed. We can mix it any proportion. किसी भी proportion में हम उसको add कर सकते हैं, right? जैसे कि gases किसी भी proportion में है, nitrogen 75%, like oxygen 21%, इस तरीके से किसी भी proportion में हम उसको add कर सकते हैं. Next is components retain their own properties. Students, retain their own properties का meaning क्या है? जिस तरीके से यहाँ पर इसका एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं H2O, water. Water is a liquid, but it is composed of hydrogen and oxygen, and these both are gases. तो जो गैसेस है उन्होंने अपनी आइडेंटिटी लूज कर दी है मिक्स होने के बाद. मिक्स होने के बाद वो क्या बन गया है? वाटर बन गया है. बट इन केस ऑफ मिक्सचर हेयर जो कंपोनेंट होता है वो अपनी प्रॉपर्टी को लूज नहीं करता. ओके, वो एज इट इज अपनी प्रॉपर्टीज को शो करेगा. जिस तरीके से एटमॉस्फेयर में एयर प्रेजेंट है, सिमिलर बेसिस पे हम ऑक्सीजन को इनटेक कर रहे हैं, उसकी प्रॉपर्टी मेंटेन्ड है. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि पूरी की पूरी एयर जा रही है. मतलब उसकी जो कंपोनेंट है उसकी अपनी खुद की प्रॉपर्टी रहेगी. इट विल नॉट लूज इट्स प्रॉपर्टी, राइट. नेक्स्ट इज कंपोनेंट ऑफ मिक्सचर कैन बी इजीली सेपरेटेड. हम उनको इजीली अलग कर सकते हैं. जिस तरीके से मिल्क में से हम क्रीम को सेपरेट करते हैं, फैट्स को सेपरेट करते हैं, राइट. दैट इज ऑल्सो अ मिक्सचर, सो इट कैन बी सेपरेटेड इजीली. नेक्स्ट इज mixture do not have any fixed boiling and melting points. You know na what are boiling point and what is melting point? The temperature at which any solid starts melting, that is known as melting point, and the point or temperature at which a liquid starts boiling, that is known as boiling point. तो जो mixture है उसका कोई भी fixed boiling और melting point नहीं होता. Students, now we will do the types of mixture. Basically, there are two types of mixtures. First is homogeneous mixture and second is heterogeneous mixture. So, what are these mixtures? Look here, homogeneous mixture. When we will talk about this, look here, we have taken a beaker and water inside that. Okay, and we have added some sugar inside that. So the sugar particles will be mixed thoroughly in water. इस तरीके से ये completely mixed हो जाते हैं स्टूडेंट्स वाटर के अंदर. ऐसा तो नहीं होता कि नीचे जो पानी है, जो वाटर है, वो ज्यादा मीठा होगा, मच स्वीटर होगा, ऊपर वाला नहीं होगा. ऐसा तो नहीं होता. कहीं से भी अगर आप वाटर लेते हैं सिप बाय सिप, स्टार्टिंग में जितना मीठा होता है उतना ही एंड में भी मीठा होता है, right? So this is the property of homogeneous mixture. In this mixture, the solute that is added, या जो भी दो components ले रहे हैं, any two components that we have taken, we are going to mix them. They will mix thoroughly and completely. They will mix thoroughly and completely means बिल्कुल एक same composition हमें हर जगह नजर आएगा. कोई भी separation नहीं होगा. इस तरीके से बिल्कुल एक सेम कॉम्पोजिशन नजर आएगा. ओके, एंड एग्जांपल्स यू कैन टेक sugar and water, salt and water also. Some alloys are also that are homogeneous mixture, that is steel, bronze and copper. Okay, next is heterogeneous mixture. Students, इस mixture में क्या होगा? जब हम mix करेंगे, let us take a beaker here. If I have taken here water, this is water, okay, and I am going to add sand inside this. Students, जब मैं sand को stir करूंगी तो उसके particles इस तरीके से spread हो जाएंगे. They will spread like this. Okay, and when I am going to keep it untouched, undisturbed for some time, then what will happen? What you will look? You will look that inside the beaker soil particles got settled down. वो नीचे settle down हो गए हैं. कुछ water इस तरीके से नजर आएगा और कुछ particles soil के suspended होंगे beaker के अंदर. It means there is no same composition. बिल्कुल अच्छे से मिक्स नहीं हुआ है सैंड. अगर हम नीचे से देख रहे हैं तो वहां सॉइल के पार्टिकल्स ज्यादा हैं in comparison to the above portion, right? So these type of mixtures are known as that is heterogeneous mixtures. Okay, for example, sand and water we have taken here example. Next is chalk and water. It will also create same type of composition, and even chocolate chip and cookies. So we have completed here mixture.